All right, the citizen call me the prodigal son. Happy are ye who set goals for themselves and ready to pay the price to make it come true. It go on,
God forbid that day.
Guess what we don't get when they toast with water? Alright, like I said before, patience, easy or Moriyi, the brain pause behind the Ewemade TV. Mama, you see, when we giving a description to Ewemade, to patience, you know, easy from afar, people they think, say, some people even they think say you be mechanic. Some people think say you be welder, some people say you be carpenter. But I will when we say man, we know you, you know, deep down in, I know say man, you be costumier. So if I'm making a mistake, you let me know. But giving a description to you as a costumier, you don't dabble into many things. Today you will do makeup. Next tomorrow, I even saw you on one movie. I can't remember the title. You understand? So the thing come make us they curious. What is the exactly they do for the industry? I believe you come invade the industry, hijack the industry completely. Say, okay, now you want to do this one, do this one, do this one, do this one at the same time.
Nothing like that.
I don't forget I do program.
Okay, nothing like that first.
The news always a
with that industry now, I came in as a producer.
Okay.
A filmmaker. I produced my first movie was Imunareba.
Okay.
So after Imunareba for Nena, we were not some, but he don't get a film now every day. Okay. So I needed to do something.
Okay.
Me every day because I love filmmaking in general, as in every part of filmmaking, makeup, costume, props, and set, whatever. I just love everything about filmmaking. So now I don't think anyway. I cannot be producing every day, but I can be doing something else every day. So I don't choose a costume. Costume or a film na job.
Yeah.
So that was how I came in. I decided to take costuming as my job.
Okay. When you said before, you used because you use one word. It's a fundamental, statement. You said you used to produce.
No, I didn't say I used. I said I came in as a producer.
So you don't retire as a producer?
No, I'm still producing, but I needed something that I would do every day. But I'm still producing very well.
Meaning, costume business.
Yes.
You don't get passion for the costume business. Meaning, now they may not get dull moment.
Yeah, apart from that.
You say, okay, me I they do costume, you just get passion for the costume business.
Apart from that, if you really like the industry, don't beg. What made me choose costume was I'm not trying to bring down the movie, whatever. Okay. But he a female though. I saw a part which they were really lacking. That was the costume aspect.
Okay.
Because I beg a film, I was not really happy. And let me come in and see what I can do to help.
Okay.
So if not, I would have chosen makeup or props and sets, because I'm very good when it comes to sets.
Okay.
If I set this your Gorilla TV setting, so you love it. I'm very good with sets. No, I'm not saying that Gorilla TV is still the best. Okay. So, but let me help my people. So I said, let me choose costuming. Okay. So that was how I came in. It's not like maybe it was just for business alone or I needed something to be doing every day. No. Okay. But I also had passion and the love to help my people. That was what really got me into costuming.
Okay. I'm sorry to say, forgive me any question when I want to ask you today.
No problem.
So, talking about being helpful, the costume when you do it for the industry for free, I mean they reduce price for them.
I reduce price to as in minimal, as in sometimes if I even tell you money where they collect from people for costume self, sometimes just even transport.
Okay.
But say why they give more to me because at the end, if you mean allowed and say people are dressed well and everybody's looking fine, if you do we are gogo, so it's not like I'm charging anybody, but I charge some people anyway. I haven't make any way the industry. I charge them because those one here go to pay.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay, I believe I've been if you've been able to figure out the one of the biggest projects when you say you don't costume.
biggest project.
Yeah, what you see, you don't costume. See, man, the job go viral everywhere. You know, the film is being, addressed by that title. Where you see you and I know for all the films where you see.
I have a lot of good big jobs.
Yeah.
I costumed Esoe.
Okay.
Esoe was in cinemas around Nigeria.
Okay.
It was even in the US.
Okay.
So I think Esoe is one of my biggest jobs. Then Queen of Queens
Okay.
by Sosa Egbon.
Okay.
Then Esoe is by Charles Wagbai.
Okay.
I've done a lot of films. Then there's one film I did for the other side of the coin for Lancelot to do I must say.
Yeah.
I've done a lot of big jobs.
Okay.
So big jobs are just normal thing for me.
Okay, so whenever you see big job now, the shakes say man, they go intimidate you.
No, we dey stand.
You big now, so we still remember how caring you are. But we say you sometimes you feel even still bring your money come and say man, take do such thing. Where we say man, things not the work where you understand. But some directors where we say man, they don't give you the opportunity. You understand? For you to render them your services, and you understand? Maybe you redefine yourself how you be. You understand? So some people give different meaning to your name. So there was a time one of the astronomers we have here, which is a Lancelot to do, I must address you as a wardrobe mistress. So I believe you here.
No.
Okay, you're not here. So okay, now that you're here. So how you reason that thing? That invests you as a
Wardrobe mistress in what way?
say you get clothes.
Yeah.
Say you get clothes. So it all depends on what it meant. But so I believe they say you address you to your fix before you. So maybe surprise.
Yeah, maybe before maybe.
So when you costume that the other side of
the only time I got that thing from him was when he was trying to advise some people.
Okay.
Lancelot is like a father to many people. He was trying to tell them, was using me as an example,
okay,
that everybody must not be an actor.
Okay.
Everybody must not act movie. Can see her.
Yeah.
She's a costumier. Decided to be a costumier. Okay. So you must not be an actor because everybody wants to act.
Yeah,
everybody wants to show in a movie.
Okay.
So that's the only time. I don't know. Maybe him addressing me.
Okay, we are driving towards the same direction. I never made. I'm not referring to the negative aspect of it, but I just said, he addressed you as a wardrobe mistress. It's either you two get clothes, or maybe you get the clothes. They give actors or actresses the clothes they deserve. That's what I meant.
For that aspect, okay. Do you know how many? I'm sorry to say, but I have to be blunt.
Okay.
A Kenave directors in Ibuna get it wrong is this.
Yeah.
If you are giving me a script, I'm script to many good work costuming and the way this script. You're supposed to let me know the sizes of the people I'm costuming.
Okay.
Because you cannot tell me I'm costuming Blessing Ororo, I don't even know the measurement of her hip.
Okay.
You're supposed to give me their numbers. I will call them and ask them for their measurements. So sometimes I say set in there. There was a film I did. I spoke to one actor. It was Alex, Alex Ekugu.
Yeah.
He go one for them. I want to measurement. Or he a measurement na have the more for it. He just money marry size because that means he added weight.
Yeah.
So sometimes we face a lot of difficulties like that. So money may equal here now. In my meeting when I had to start rushing here and there to get other clothes that will fit him. So the job sometimes is really stressful. So maybe I know what he meant by wardrobe mistress. Maybe I have a lot of clothes, but I don't know how to use it. But I don't know.
Okay. Meanwhile, if you are asked to declare your challenges, in the costume industry, let me use that word. So is that the only challenges you pass through?
No, the most challenges we have in costuming is not even really about the most challenging the most challenging part of a costumer is when you are doing an historical film.
Okay.
I keep telling every costumer because if you are doing just a normal film, you can just start to give them t-shirts. But when you are doing an historical film that needs to be told the way it was then,
okay,
you have to search Google to know the particular clothes they were wearing then. Then who do Yaki, who do try no seven or so. For me, costuming is that's the most difficult part of costuming. Okay. Every other costuming is not really big deal. Like normal those normal films
Those
are no big
glamour,
deal. Yeah,
yeah.
glamour is no big deal at all for me.
Okay, but not quite long. You can't still be like say you can't dabble into acting. Is it because the costuming aspect is that challenging that you decide okay, maybe still support her with the acting?
No,
Because I don't
not,
see you for several movies.
not really. That acting of people. The first film I ever acted was for Sylvester Wadiai.
Okay, you acted for Sylvester Wadiai.
No, Sylvester was it. No. Andrew Sawa was the director of that film. It was I've forgotten the title for Obaseki's film.
Okay.
I was actually the costumer of that film. The costumer I like acting, but he is a setting. And when I play role in Mareva.
Okay.
So now the way Nila wo ni kuya iwe.
Okay.
So when I did, they said I tried because for me, I'm okay. I'm not supposed to not try.
Yes,
Try.
yeah.
So Emani bring again, and that movie was also uploaded on my channel, Wemade TV. So comments started coming. Mama, start to act. Mama, you are good.
Okay.
Mama, we want you to act. But for me, I don't like acting. I don't really like it because Emani acting here because Mama like acting with them. I love freedom.
Yeah.
I love freedom so much. So we're not like a freedom waiting away acting because as soon as you put your life there as an actor, you're no longer free. That freedom is no longer there because anywhere you, except maybe you are I don't know how to put it to, except maybe an actor
Yeah.
and for me, then most of them my own jobs, maybe not customer money marry and I know I can do the job. I just act is not I'm not an actor.
Yeah. But still, sometimes anyway when we say people flop in your project, they easily cover. You
Yes.
also can make your money not waste.
Yes.
So
that's
meaning
what
you are not acting because you have passion for it.
no.
So meaning we should not be expecting any job from you.
As an
to
actor.
Act, yeah, as an actress.
No.
So and I believe you coming into the costume industry. So if people want to address you as an easy now, they should address you as a costumier.
Yes,
Not an actress.
producer / costumier.
Okay. So and one time, so be like I see one job where they say you still direct.
Yes.
So meaning you are still a director.
Yes. Yeah, one thing about me is this.
Are you a jack of all trades?
No. Because one thing about me is that I directed the job because I'm very good in. Even when my directors are those directors who have worked with me, even when they are directing, I have that directorial gift
No.
because I'm a critic. I criticize so much.
Okay.
So whenever you are directing for me,
You are not always satisfied.
yes, I always because you know when you criticize, when look about criticize about because tomorrow they might criticize you.
Yeah, in return.
So I'm very good in that. I'm very good in directing, but I'm not a director. I cannot just be a director.
Okay,
overnight.
meaning recently now you don't go back to the give your work to directors, maybe directors.
Yes, I've only directed just 2 movies.
Okay, meaning you directing that job was a mistake.
It's not a mistake.
You prepared
My
for
director
it.
was not available. That's just the truth.
Okay, they disappointed you.
Yeah, maybe he was going somewhere else, and I already fixed date with my actors.
Okay.
So he had to change it that day because I love working with time.
Okay.
So I just need to do it, and yeah, they went away. You did well, you tried. So
Okay. But addressing you as a producer, and I believe you're supposed, figure out how many numbers of films when you don't on your own, when you don't produce.
I've produced a lot of films, so
Okay.
more than 20 films anyway.
20.
More than.
And they are all on the Wemade TV.
All on Wemade TV. No, not all on Wemade TV. I've produced films for my friends. For some of my friends.
And you said your first movie was
Luna Yoba,
Yoba. And among all those your movies, you're supposed to get favorite.
Favorite.
Among
As a producer or as a costumier?
No, not as a costumier. Normally, here where when you like a movie, I don't say you must get one particular aspect when you like about the movie. It's either the characters deliver well or the technical aspect of it. But your movies, where we say among your movie, the one where we say you just like pass.
Yeah, I love all my movies.
Or love you figure out one.
One go hard because I like telling my stories from those of you who are Wemade TV subscribers. You know my movies very well. You know how I tell my stories. So I can hardly choose one of my films.
Yes. Was this the reason you refused to accompany me to see Dave and his mom?
Cannot figure out
no,
why.
Because the stories are superb. They are nice.
Okay. But recently, not too recently, most especially when I went come from that angle, when I stopped today, when I say make we project the identity of our culture, but when I do stop, I want to hear na me where what do feel. You understand? We what do in one word. Most of the film in the world, most especially from this Ewemade TV, from that platform, boy is there. I said, why is it so? Is that the transformation in your own industry, and that is how you believe where you go more, further?
Very good question.
Okay.
The reason now we film with English language is this. You need to get the Nollywood industry. If you go here we film, if you go yanti because maybe you believe you maybe you don't go as able. So I saw it was actually a sacrifice.
Okay.
Most of those films in the US, me go where, but I said let me do something. Let me start bringing up my people. Let me see, because if you become perfect.
Okay.
If we start doing these movies in English language, at a point these people will become perfect that have anywhere they can deliver very well.
Yeah.
So I took it upon myself. I said, this is what I want to do. And it worked for me, I'm telling you. It worked because at the beginning, many of my viewers were saying it like, yeah, I struggle with English. Watari struggle with English. Most of you don't even speak English.
Okay.
That's just the truth.
Yeah.
Watari struggle with English. It's a lie because no one very don't know. If you I brought it here.
Yeah.
But people mostly accept it because I think it's super science. Woman who are stars, nobody will look at them like stars. I keep telling you people that one. Okay. If you don't support your own, nobody will support them for you.
Okay.
If you go to Arena, if you go or supporting you, or when I'm hearing the Kenya, yeah. But I felt when I did my choice, I was so happy with the outcome. Hey, this movie is nice. But it took us time because even the actors in my day used to.
Yeah.
It's not like they're not good. They are good in speaking English, but they're not used to it because they are good in. They are always doing a Benin movie and they are used to it. Whereas you will be used to it. Anywhere you go, you must. That is how it is. But when we started this, somebody like Michael Isokman was happy. Said this is a good thing. It was nice. They were happy. They supported me. They didn't tell me they said okay, let us do this together. Yeah. And today we are seeing the outcome. You see that they go to Abuja, they go to Asaba to go and shoot, Enugu to go and shoot. But because I spent the training from Owa, or see another days in the area, so that was why I did that. But only my way female though, if you are away female though, but I was doing a lot of English movies than the Benin ones. And I had a plan, and the plan worked out for me. Because if you don't have a dual channel, because you have a dual film in my view, because you have a film, you have a story, you have a big book. So, but you know, this boy they can speak English. Before you know it, they started calling one or two actors. And today we are somewhere. So that was the reason why.
Well, Mama, still on it. Before, you know one thing we say can characterize many producers here in Benin. Before now they do films for market. I believe if I can remember vividly, that was when they did the Wenari Oba, did the Rhinoton, Uweni. But recently, all the jobs what we say they do recently, they go check market in Miroba.
Yes.
All is always on YouTube.
Yes.
So now there you find favor. I believe you just.
Yes. So I'm sorry. With due respect to my marketers, why the marketers or email on YouTube? Okay. Because while we film una munia, who's a senior go see your sat. You go no make a call ya senior all those say go no have be obi an. Okay. We have a film here where say store our where. Yeah, my here. Have a film where have your do a film away. Okay. I go that senior here now. Why the boss ever want to make film where go we store. At a time I had to be leaving my house at night just to go to tell you to go and drop money. That's stress, but able whether it is 1 naira or not, once it get to that time, yeah, pay where they pay you. So why would I be wasting my time? I will spend money to print, spend money to design jacket. Then one man will not keep my film in his store without paying me.
So okay, that is one of the reasons why you switched. Okay, where
yes.
Now our will be
yes.
So it should be where by now. Suppose you want to produce a YouTube, but you should be at least getting 100% of, or if not 100%, 99% of all the capital you spend. So are you saying it? Are you saying that you are enjoying it 89% or 95%? You are getting back the 99% of each amount you spend on every movie.
I just love the questions
via YouTube.
I just love the questions you are asking. This question boils down to you viewers watching, because in a film, I don't get the money to produce.
Okay.
I follow a lot of YouTube channels. If you don't bother about a film here, I'm telling you the truth. This one, if you don't have a film, but it's a film one day. Why? You hardly watch. There's hardly a Benin movie you see in Norman, 1 million views. And we have more than 5 million Benis in diaspora. So what is holding you guys from giving us that breakthrough? I keep telling them every day, because in everything they think maybe, man, I don't believe in that. People should change your attitude.
But do you realize that most of them, they say they know they watch our movies because our picture qualities are poor.
That one
and
at
the same time we get the quack projects most times.
That one I like, because if you have a yageni, with those of that channel,
okay, it's so.
Yes, I have internet. I watch movies. Most of them, they quack movies in my home. The cameras we use are first class.
Okay.
The picture qualities, they know now. Now they watch them.
Okay, you they check, say you they now reason now say that language that be the barrier.
I don't know for them. You see Benin film, 3 months go get 10,000 views. That's rubbish. So how do you want the person to get back the money? So I just say to them, they only again. Okay. We are careful about the faith or the faith. Come on.
Do you know why you suppose you say you be actress now? I'll say you did selfish. Say you did talk this thing for your own selfish reasons. You understand? But right now you not be actress on behalf of say you be producer. But who they see you they talk alone. Even somebody like me where they close to you. I don't need any confirmation to know where they do a man or see no man. Because if you be actress before, you dey fight for this thing. You say maybe you dey fight in the name of say make name and make people they see you on screen. Every day you are always behind the camera, you are always behind the screen. So if you still dey come forth before everybody now, they say maybe they watch the movie, meaning your motive. You don't understand? You are selfless. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, but on behalf of that, we go on a break. I tell una just now say Mama they do many films, but right now most see one of the films when they say Mama do. Don't go anywhere. If you don't speak well, if you don't act well, more now take calm, drop the film. Why the hell lawa? But I will be right.
You want to be very now where I want you be more. I want to tell one. When you are anywhere, so anytime you are coming like this, I get prepared. A graduation. So why am I being now? One minute now. She says she's not going to have any party. Where she will just invite some few friends to come around. That's all. Let's not forget. You know, when you have the vegetable supermarket, I run into this guy. Oh, okay, Dave. Quickly now, I did the only boy, but to my surprise, Dave, I was so embarrassed, I swear. Can you imagine? It's a view what you wanna. Well, no cow, no cow, or my re, or bet on with big windy. Or when you want me walking, gig. It didn't make her or she said he calls her all the time. That's a good one. That is the love I pray for. Sure, they have it. Excuse me, let me go and check on the cook. Okay, I believe I'll be
So, Mama, you know, waiting we don't pass, it don't be behind us. You don't understand? You know, whoever come before us, you don't understand? Plus, I don't know where our women I should have. A few months ago, Marisi Yamu was here on this platform, and she addressed your name. She gives kudos to your name, and at the same time, she can address your name as a patient. That was what she, patient, or more easy or more easy. So when you come here that you can't be like saying you know to be a PC man. If she know you too well, she's supposed to address your name properly. So I believe that something prompt you. Maybe you take go and go like that. On behalf of, because you not can't check the kudos when she give you and how you tell bring her up, but you just say that she's not supposed to address your name like that because you are not a patient in the hospital. You are a patient, which is the you understand. So I believe that something prompted because me myself I come to check out. So I've been at people they push mama for back or this woman get something against this girl. Just the wait, make the right time come, make it post everywhere.
See, for those of you who know me, those of you who are my followers, those of you who know me very well.
Okay.
When the life image, me gwa mwemi ye koi. He gwa mwemi le because ya we na mama ya yemi. Ado ya mega na ya. Eni awa son of me instantly what time. Ya wa we time for ni wa we the F1. When no one dey close to where say that the person is supposed to know you better than any other person. Maris is very, very close to me.
Okay.
When I mean close, Maris extremely close. Or no a dross in your head no.
Yeah.
So if you go over the only mama titi any me, it's an insult on me.
Okay.
Because while I love Mama, I'm supposed to know everything about that person.
Okay. But okay. Patient and patience. There's no big difference.
There is. Don't tell me that.
Okay. But do you realize that sometimes our talk they disappoint us?
No. See, there's different interviewing him again. I actually laughed because that patient did not. If it came just once, agreed the mistake,
Okay.
But if it came like maybe 5-6 times, that means it's no mistake.
Okay, but when we are judging, you don't consider her tongue. Say her tongue will always disappoint her, even when she's trying to
say C as T.
Yeah.
No, I know her very well. I told you just now.
Okay.
So I was not really angry. I just when the problem, man. Sorry, I'm not diverting, but the problem of the government industry now is that we hate criticism.
Yeah.
I criticize, we judge that person. Like me, when we industry now, people see me as a bad person.
Yeah.
I industry now go. I move forward here.
Okay.
I keep telling them, the Yoruba industry. I'm not comparing. Every day you must criticize for you to change. If everybody is just dull,
as a way film, no, you have a nice one.
There will be no headway. I keep telling them, many zing take more in the way mother TV. You know, we normal like say it. I will tell you thank you. I don't let anything get into me. But if I criticizing your twin, I want anywhere all location where do I want anywhere here. Hey, but my it is Zikayo. Come on, we should stop it. Even the American, even the Hollywood industry, in Hollywood there's criticism.
Yeah.
In Bollywood the same thing.
Yeah.
So why is our own different? Why are we scared to say the obvious? Why?
Okay, Mama. Let's say in that area you've been able to conquer it. You understand? So you don't make us understand why. I say you don't get what do they tell us now? Say you don't get any personal issue with that.
No.
So that the way when we say you pronounce your name now you don't like and you don't want keep her inside you now make you just talk and come out, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's all right. But still on that same lineage, there was a time on Facebook, a woman I want to know her name came online and made mention of you on my heart because I ascertained that information to that point. When we had an Ebony say the industry. They say that you bring the issue. You say the jobs when they do there, they do till they spoil the image of the jobs what we do here. So people can come out online, they criticize also. Say a lot of people have been in the game since they not complain. So why can't be say now when they come up now, they can't complain. So I guess you hear that issue.
Yes, first I know they come up because person wey don spend more than 10 years for industry not be upcomer.
Okay.
Secondly, make they remove Onweyat and Ebony because Onweyat and Ebony were not even involved in that incident that happened.
Okay.
So because I hate people bringing others in. You hear them marry over.
Okay.
Onweyat in Nigeria, Ebony and me I was abroad when the issue happened. It was not even like the way they said it. So actually I had a live video. I was actually thinking of like what I said just now that how can you have a movie, you have 10,000 views? Thank God, even the artists in Europe nowadays they say they do. They don't see open YouTube channel.
Okay.
They put film. Their film never reach 100,000 views.
Okay.
This same thing I was saying that time is happening to them now. So I just did a live video asking because me I like me I only have viewers in time.
Yeah.
I don't like being quiet. I want to hear from my viewers what they need from me, where my errors, where for they make errors on my movies. May they tell me, may they let me know so I can improve on my job. That was how it started. It's not like maybe it was actually about them. It was actually about me. I was like, my subscribers should all come and tell me what is happening. That I no longer get views like I used to get before. Okay. They should tell me what we are lacking in the Edo movie industry that they want us to improve on. And I tell you, a lot of people called intellectuals, as in me not get fans maybe they do nice one. I have fans who are intellectuals. People like there's some people like I have one Esther from the US. She's a nurse, professional nurse. I have one other one Sonia from Australia. They called. They gave us. They were the ones that actually brought in those European films, not me, because I don't actually watch their movies. Okay. Now they bring up those ones. Say the problem that they get with our films now, they say most of these people they be family people. They get children, and they want their children to start speaking Bini. They want their children to learn how to speak Edo language. So they have the only way they can do that is by watching Edo movies. They'll get familiar with the language. So say sometimes they'll carry their children, make they sit down, make they gotta watch film. I got film in there. I do pay some things no supposed to carry.
Yeah.
Some things no supposed na.
And that is what we are known for.
So they were complaining. So it was not like it was me that was complaining. I never complained because they complained about a particular movie they saw on YouTube that was not nice. And I told them they should not worry that I will talk to the producer of the film, of which the producer got angry that that is the problem we have. The problem we have in here. I'm already not a we do. I can resolve. Oh, no, how when you want to only happy way.
Okay.
I don't know how we are say well no.
Okay, you say they should quit the industry, or you say make them make a mess?
No, what I was saying was that most of these films they do in Europe, they don't have professional directors to direct them for them. Okay. We have directors who left here to Europe. They are there.
Let them employ them.
Let them employ them. If many of them here now maybe they call, they told me that here charging I go or see it. In a way, but if maybe not Europe, next time why they tell me they don't go because here for example Elliot is a very good director. Victor Jesuabu, you're well now. Yeah. Victor is a very good director. Yeah. I don't know if you understand. Yeah. Elliot in Aikato, they are all in Europe there. Yeah, Elliot in Italy, Victor in France. These people they are experienced. They've done blockbusters. They've done movies that shook the market anyhow. Why me here in Europe? Why beg me and Babalawo will help you, man? They will help you in life. You must see. You must always learn. You cannot just be a master overnight. I keep telling people this life is a process.
Okay.
You are what John away from you, begging away from you will do rubbish, and the rubbish will affect me. It will affect Gorilla TV. It will affect everybody TV.
because you will walk back what we do.
Yes, because you get rubbish film meaning now. The person will definitely just lose up in a movie. Our classified and the same thing everybody they do. That was actually my point. But for that girl, I don't want to talk about the girl that was.
Okay, so personally, that's to say, but where can I have a personal issue with the lady in question? So when you hear the matter, the way you can't take the issue personal, can't they insult you most especially? But the thing vex you.
She insulted herself because I don't invite her.
Yeah.
When you mention he watch school. Yeah. I'm a very learned person. I went to the university, I did everything. So, I think the little way I love anywhere, not possible. When not tell us, I didn't reply. I didn't even talk.
Because they say silent is the best
answer for a fool. That is justice. So I just kept quiet because I'm not patience is your model with the word.
Okay.
And when the boom, they have the same name with me. So why should I think him or I go on? So the next thing just.
Pay deaf
ears to that person.
Okay. All right, we go on a break. Still on some of the jobs when we say, man, mama don't feature the most especially the one when we say she acts, most especially the one when she show her face because I will can me on myself. I argue myself. I will be right back.
But I told you today is this welcoming party. I mean, special guest of honor.
Mama, I believe for inside all this matter, you're supposed to get, you don't work with many directors. So right now, because we they address you as an actress already, for the fact say you don't want you start come up body, you understand? But I believe say you get this. You don't work with the society, no. You don't work with Lance, no. But I believe say man, on your own, you still get this director when you want to work with. When you say maybe they understand that storyline, because from what you said this costume world is very challenging. And say man, a kind of project when they do, it's expensive, but when it comes to costume, it's not too expensive and it favor you. So I wonder what that director will be.
Director where I want to work with or where I don't work with?
No, when you want to work with, the ones when you don't work with Lancelot and Society Born in Lord, that one, every past is not there behind you. So we are looking forward. Director you love to work with.
Director I love to work with right now. So somebody like Kemi Adetiba.
Okay.
Then maybe Omoni Voli.
Okay.
What's this director's name? Then NSOB. Okay. NSOB, I love his movies. So
all those horror movies.
Yeah, I like to work with her to see.
Okay. And I believe on a very good day, those people will stand a better chance to work with you. So what are your advice for now if you have to advise, are you to advise the actress coming or the costume? Because before now we do like say we get organization, or should I say get association for costumiers. So how did the association be?
Very well. Today's our meeting. If I leave here and I'm going for
still the function.
Very well. Why?
So I believe
I'm the vice chairman at Edo State.
Presently?
Yes.
Still the function.
Very well. Today's our meeting day.
You never flop.
But
one time I can't hear say they attend the meeting again.
I'm not in Nigeria. I want to attend meeting.
Okay.
I mean, you want the ticket to attend the meeting. They know that my chairman is aware.
Even when you were around.
No, if I'm around, no, I'm not. I just told you that today's our meeting.
Okay, you are going there.
I'm going. As soon as I drop Ella at home, I'll go.
Okay, so what's your advice for the upcomers?
Costumiers or producers or actors?
The upcomers, the costumier and the producer.
The upcoming for the costumiers, for those of you who want to do costumes, always learn. Let's Google be your friend.
Wow. So you mean you acquire your knowledge from Google?
Yeah, Google. Whatever you want to ask for, you get it. If you want to ask for about Vodaman, the way he dressed years ago, you see it on Google. It's there. Then ask from your senior colleagues. I see they ask questions. I never to know. If I get some kind of difficulties, I ask from our former president in Obaseki. She's a very nice woman. Very nice woman. Our mother hen. Because she has been there before me. Now she costume invasion. So you ask questions. There are some, don't just feel like you know it all. Nobody be Superman. No. Everybody just dey come. Then for the upcoming producers, always work on budgets. Not just go into movie say you wan shoot film. Okay. I wan do film. Carry paper, biro. Carry your PM, sit down, una work on budget. No go dey do film at the end you reach location go dey give actors food with cellophane. No. Work on your budget. Okay. Know wetin you get. Know how you want to do your film. If na 300,000 how you get want to do the film, work on it. Don't go carry actor wey you say only one come chop the 300,000 comot from the money. Then you come dey suffer your cast. They come dey suffer for location. No, don't do that. Always have a budget. That is my advice for you guys.
All right, no problem. But I believe by now we should be expecting a new job from you. At least very that well. Job supposed to get titled. In the Storm Market or the Storm YouTube anywhere from now.
Yes, so SAW is coming on YouTube.
Is your project?
Yes, we love it. It's a love story produced by me. Directed by Loveday Amuwe. Okay,
and is hitting Ewemade TV?
Yes, production manager Stanley Akilomo.
Okay, so I guess for that Ewemade TV, you suppose you still need more subscribers. You don't get the subscribers when you want to get.
I never get, so I have just 16,000 plus. If I get 50K, don't be bad thing now.
Okay, is that what the maximum?
If you do, I'll be subscribe. Wow, what's boom?
Do they force them or do they beg them?
Are they force them?
Okay, more than subscribe.
More than subscribe. Okay. More than they watch.
So, all right, still on the platform, still with your boy, your main man, your guy, your friend, your everything, confidence, F, Anya, your citizen. Call me the prodigal son if you like. Easy Patient Omoriyi, the brain boss, like I said before, behind Ewemade TV. She don't tell you now everything what she know, and not all. But expect her on the platform again, not today, not tomorrow, definitely maybe next tomorrow. You understand? But we will be right back. When I say we'll be right back, not today, not tomorrow, definitely that same next tomorrow. You understand?
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G-Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
Hello everyone. Hello peoples. My name is Amori Patience Easy, and I'm the CEO of Ewemade TV. Keep watching Gorilla TV. Subscribe to Gorilla TV, the platform right here.
Lamogun to all my families and friends out there. Lamogun to all the people.